Hello, I'm Ryan Raimondo and I'm with the Paxiom group. We're at MJBizCon. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about our pre-roll solutions. Starting off first, we have our JuanaRoll-1 machine. Okay, it's a single lane machine, fully automated pre-roll production. Starting from the front end of the machine, we have a magazine where you load your pre-rolls. The pre-rolls get put into a block, which then indexes through the stations of the machine. The first station is an inspection station. That's where we take a photo of the cone to make sure it's round and can be filled. Then we move right on to filling. We have a hopper in the back that can be filled on the fly with your ground products. That product goes into a weigh bucket that is super sensitive, 3 decimal points of a gram on the readout, and then it dumps down the funnel into the cone. In this station, we also can compact from the bottom up. Once we're done there, we move to a second and third compaction station. This is all servo driven, and you have full control of that compaction to your liking that is required based on different densities, different profiles of cannabis. Finally, we go to a twisting station where we twist off the finished joint and we trim it as well, and then we discharge.